Hi, in this series of videos, we're going to listen to short dialogues that are packed with useful expressions, phrases, and idioms that you can use every day. First of all, we're going to listen to our dialogue, and then we're going to have a look at the expressions from this dialogue. Let's get to it.
Hey Greg, can I pick your brains for a minute?
Yeah, sure.
Can you help me with my computer? It seems like nothing works after the last system updates.
Yeah, let me see.
Is it supposed to do that?
Oh, so it's a hardware issue. Let me raise a ticket with the local IT team. Here you go. Can I pick your brains? Can I pick your brains? This phrase is used when you want to ask someone for advice. It's informal, but it's still polite, so you can use it when you're talking to your colleagues at work. For example, can I pick your brains for a minute? Can I pick your brains about this new marketing strategy? Can I pick your brains on how to solve this issue? Repeat after me. Can I pick your brains for a minute? Can I pick your brains for a minute? Can I pick your brains on how to solve this issue? Can I pick your brains on how to solve this issue? Can I pick your brains about this marketing strategy? Can I pick your brains about this marketing strategy? Good job! What is your area of expertise? What do people usually pick your brains about? Leave a comment and subscribe now to expand your vocabulary every day. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.